What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're not going to be doing gaming, surprisingly. We are going to be showing you how to work YT Studio. As you can see, it's in my folder, and how to change the category, and we're just going to show you all this stuff. First, if you don't have the app, you probably need to go to your Play Store, or this is also for iOS and Android. Go to your Play Store and type YT Studio and this is legit. It's made by YouTube Studio, so you can do all this. So you can open the app, and it shows you all your subscribers, which I only have 8. So hopefully it just says I have 13. My YouTube may have not refreshed, but it shows your videos. You can view more. Well, that was your other stuff, and you can view more of your videos. It shows your comments down here. Okay, now one sec, I'm gonna move this over there. Now you can have your videos. It shows you all your videos. You can do most recent, most viewed, or you can do draft, public, unlisted, private, all those. Yes. And you can go to your playlist, which I already have my playlist right here. You can go to your comments, just like you can on the front page. There's all your comments. You can go to your, and this is where you're probably most going to be wanting to look at. Alright, so it shows how many estimated views. It's 11. And here's shout out to Nerf Gun 05, and these are your views right here. Watch time minutes, views last 28 days, and it shows your subscribers. It's changed 7. Thank you for that, guys. Thank you for the 13 subscribers. I've been trying to get 10 at least for maybe like 3 months or so. Yeah, but here's all your other stuff. You got YT Boost, all this. I'm not really knowing about that, and you're probably not really gonna need all this. Well, like these last 3. Well, you're probably gonna you're probably not really gonna need these last 3. But you got your YouTube. You can go to your YouTube deal. You got settings. Oh, but first you gotta sign into everything on your YouTube account and everything. You can do push notifications, comments all, and let's see. You can go to your settings, which I already said, and up here it shows your watch time minutes, views, and subscriber change, like it already did. And it shows your little picture, so you know it's you. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've tried to make it as short as possible, but hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, get me to 20 subscribers. Thank you for watching. Bye. So sorry, I almost forgot to show you how to change your category. Okay, so what you would do, you would go to your video. Oh, and you can change your thumbnails on here, I forgot to say. You can go to your video, it says who commented on it, and you can press edit, and you can choose your thumbnail. But how to go to category, as you can see, go to advanced settings. You can see at the top, it says people and blogs, and you can do all of this categories. And this is people and blogs because I just was doing a shout out for this video. And now